Hey everyone! Welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to install macOS on a VirtualBox. Open your browser and download macOS ISO file. After downloading, open VirtualBox and click New. Name your VM macOS. Browse the downloaded macOS ISO from the download folder. Select type, macOS X. Choose the version corresponding to your macOS ISO. Click Next. Increase memory and CPU size. Create a virtual hard disk with at least 50 GB. Configure the virtual machine. System, display, storage, USB and network. Close VirtualBox completely. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Execute the following commands, replacing your VM name with your VM's name. Follow the on-screen instructions. Open VirtualBox and start your macOS VM. The macOS installer should boot. Select language. Format the virtual hard disk to APFS. Proceed with the installation on the formatted disk. Click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Create an account for login macOS. Installation complete. Now set full screen display. Shut down OS and follow the on-screen command. Open the command prompt and run this command. Now open the VirtualBox and start the VM machine. macOS runs perfectly. Check the operating system and set full screen mode. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.